Let's go to the next one, which is data type, which is already covered in the previous session. It's just used to convert the the data type of the particular column. And then we have detect data type, which is very much useful. Okay, so sometimes you might see the data type is not detected well, right? For example, I'll delete this step, change it type. So here you can see the data type is not detected, and it is basically ABC everywhere. So I can select all the columns at one go. Right, selected all the columns at one go and click on simply detect type. So it is able to detect the data types of all the columns. You can see order date is converted to date format, number format, decimal format properly. So detect data type is a very good one, which automatically detects the data type of the selected item, selected column. So if the Power BI sometimes automatically is not able to do it, or maybe the data that you're getting is not proper, it will not be able to do in the very first step. So you need to make it properly formatted, properly arrange all the headers, and then anyways you have to do the data type, right? You need to assign a proper data type. So the assignment can be done easily and very fast using this option by selecting all the columns together at once. This is a very handy method. All right. So again, we have a rename option, which is simple rename, just like double click. You can also do this double click and rename any name to that or ID, or else you can select this transformation.